Hi, what happens to you or your well-being after you stop working and you retire? According to the National Pension Commission, they reported that retired civil servants and pensioners in Nigeria were being owed over 4 trillion in pension arrears, leaving them with an uncertain future. In a world full of economic uncertainties, what plans do you have to enable to retire rich, comfortably, free of financial worries, especially with this hyperinflation and rising food prices? Well, that's why I'm excited to introduce myself. My name is Bibiapampa and I am the retirement queen. I have a passion to help people create wealth for their retirement so they can live a peaceful and wealthy, easy, comfortable life in retirement. I've created a short video presentation that outlines my plans and strategies for achieving financial freedom in retirement, and it is possible, and I'm eager to share it with you. Imagine being able to retire with complete confidence, knowing that you have a solid financial plan in place, free from debt, pension arrears, gratuity not being paid, or financial stresses. With my proven strategies, this dream can become a reality. So if you already learned how to retire happy, secure, free from financial worries, then this webinar and video presentation is for you. Don't wait. Click on the sign up button and take the first steps towards a brighter, happier, fulfilling retirement life. I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Thank you.